Okay guys, this is my first video on my first new channel. That just makes sense. Okay, let me restart that. Hello guys, and it's my I'm on my new channel, and this is my first video. Yay. Okay, so I want to be playing Rolling Sky. Okay guys, but beware, I am very bad at this. Rolling Sky, best of 2016. Yeah, banana. I'm bad at this, trust me, guys. Don't even know why I still have this game. I'm on 57%, and I'm on the first level, and I only got this. Wait, how long has it been? Oh yeah, 3 hours. So yeah, I got it before, but oh wow, see straight away. Wow, how bad? What is this? Okay then. Put it in. What is that? Guys, I'm not as bad as you look. I'm not as bad as this. That's just impossible what just happened. Oh wow, why? What? Oh what? No thanks. Guys, I got 57% and that was easy. But no. How do I keep dying at the easiest bit of this game? What? Am I cursed? I think I cursed so bad. I'm so good at this game. So good. Fucking get rid. I can do that all the time now. Yeah, this is why I have problems. See, my life sucks. 46%. Oh, wow. I'm just. I don't know how. I'm so good at this game. So good. Yes, it's working. Why is it buffering so bad? Oh wow. I just give up now. I'm sorry guys, but this is the end of the video. If you want me to play all my other games, yeah, I will. But for now, I am bye.